if they loved you, darling, you know. So stop begging them to stay. They're not the one, and that's okay. It's another goodbye that you didn't want. I know you died inside, but you've gotta be strong. You can love someone, still try to move on. I know you're not ready to give up, but you gave them all you got, and that's enough. So if they wanna leave.
I've been holding my breath, I've been counting to 10 over something you said. I've been holding back tears while you're throwing back beers. I'm alone in bed. You know what? I'm afraid of change. Guess that's why we stay the same. So tell me to leave.
No.
Pack my bags, get on the road. Find someone that loves you better than I do, darling, I know. 'Cause you remind me every day I'm not enough, but I still stay. Feels like a lifetime just trying to get by while we're dying inside. I've done a lot of things wrong, loving you, being one, but I can't move on. You know why I'm afraid of change. Guess that's why we stay the same. So tell me to leave, I'll pack my bags, get on the road. Find someone that loves you better than I do, darling. I'm not enough, but I still stay. If you want me to leave, then tell me to leave, and baby, I'll go.
say